Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to replace the output shaft seal on a 2500 HD automatic transmission. This is the 4L80E, but this will work on other Silverados. They're pretty much the same. Just take a look at your output shaft seal, and if it looks the same, then you're golden. Got the replacement right here. I'm going to show you how to take it off and replace it. As you can see, mine is kind of leaking. There's a lot of residue all over the place. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. And if you're able to, you want to be able to get something behind this and pop it out. There's a little bit of a lip. Alright, so what I did was I put the flathead on the lip here and I hit it with the hammer a couple times. Be easy with it. You don't want this to slip and hit the shaft right here and damage the teeth. And you want to have some rags ready because as soon as you get this out, it's going to start dripping transmission fluid. So you just want to have something to catch it all. But as you can see, I got a little bit of a lip started there. And you're just going to continue to kind of go around the edges here until you're able to pry it out. Alright, after some curse words and some hitting, you got to make sure you don't hit the transmission, the edges around right here. You want to make sure that you're only hitting the seal itself. And once you do that, you can kind of use the flathead and put it on the edges and turn it a little bit. Again, making sure that you're not putting too much force on the edge here. And slowly work the seal off. Like so. And then if you can go in from the side here. Alright, then it popped out. Thing is, you want to make sure that you clean everything, get all the gunk out, clean around the edge. Alright, now we can go ahead and install it. So we're just going to make sure that it's placed on there evenly. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do here is just give it a couple little taps. You want to make sure that you take your time with it. Hit evenly across all the edges. If you have a socket or something, PVC pipe or something that can go around this, on the outer part of the edge, that'll be actually easier because then it just goes in all at one time. But if you don't have anything like that, just gently hit all along the edges here. Don't hit it hard because then what it'll do is it'll shift it and one end will bend. But just hit it gently. If you see one side pop out, hit that side back in, stuff like that. Just be easy with it. Take your time. Don't rush it. Don't hit it too hard. I put a little bit of transmission fluid on the outer part of it here just so it'll slide in a little easier. And just continue to hit it until this edge here becomes flush with the transmission. So I just kind of hit around the edge here. Just kind of worked it in slowly. And everything is nice and flush now. You can see, so we're all good. And you just want to make sure that when you're hammering, you're not hammering on this. Do not hit this with the hammer. Just make sure nothing's damaged, everything's good. Everything's good around there, and you're all done. We're gonna go ahead and put the drive shaft back in, and good to go. You can clean up this area here so that when you start it back up, you can check for leaks, stuff like that.